Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can export your data from your Salesforce account. So first things first, as you can see, we are in our Salesforce workspace and we want to export the reports to our employees or our bosses. What we have to do, we have to actually go into the reports menu. And in this account that I created just to show you a couple of tricks at Salesforce, we have two pre-made reports that we can share. What we want to do if we need to basically share it with someone else. As you can see in this right corner is this button we can click. And there is a couple of options: run, edit in Salesforce Classic, subscribe, export, delete, add to dashboard, favorite, or move it. We want to export it. Once we clicked on export, we have two options: formatted report, which is the export the report, including the report header, groupings, and filter settings, or details only. Export only the detail rows. Use this to do further calculations or for uploading to other systems. In this one, we can actually change the format, but in the first one, the formatted report that we are going to go with and choose overall, we can do it only in a Microsoft Excel format. And now we hit export. Now, as you can see, we already downloaded it, but on this recording PC, I don't have the whole package with Microsoft Excel, but it's completely fine. You can download it and basically play around with it. Also, you can change it to what is it? It's actually into the docs of Google Sheets. And that's about it, guys. If you have more questions about the Salesforce or how to export data, or if you run into some kind of problem with Salesforce, leave a comment underneath the video. We have a couple of them from Salesforce. So I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day.